How's it going, everybody? Josh with the Weld Bench here. Once again, we're talking about test-taking tips. So, this time, we're talking about something that happens before you ever even get signed up for your test or go to take your test, and that's practice. Now, what I mean by that isn't just go out and get time to practice. What I mean by that is practice the way you're going to test, okay? Same prep, same material, same electrodes, same settings, same everything, okay? We're going to make sure we have the same bevel that we're going to be testing on. We're going to prep it identical to how we're going to be testing it. We're going to have it set up in position and positioned, angled at the same height, same everything we're going to test at. We're going to be running the same rod that we're going to actually test with at the same amperage that we're hoping to run during the test. We're going to prep the plate the way we would prep it for the test. We're not taking shortcuts. We're moving mill scale, wire wheeling or wire brushing your backing strip if you have one, your bevel faces, anything like that. We're going to use the same type of material as a backer if we're using a backer, same flow rates if we're using any type of a shielding gas, same cup sizes, same tungsten, same everything if we're TIG welding. We are not going to have any variables that we can control different than the test. Now, obviously, if you're testing on something like a Miller Dynasty and you don't own one, you can't really practice on it. So there will be a little bit, of changes from your machine to that machine. But anything you can control yourself, try to make it consistent with how you're going to take your test. Find out how you are allowed to clean the test. Practice it. Is it hand cleaning or mechanical? Can you use a grinder and a wire wheel? Can you use a hard disc, a flapping disc? Are you limited to a chipping hammer and a wire brush? Are you allowed to do any type of cleaning at all? You need to know that. Understand where your test is going to be processed from. Where should you put your starts and stops if you have any, things of that nature. Practice comfort, body positioning. Try to find a way to simulate the test situation. Are we testing on a clamp? Are we testing on blocks? Are we testing down on the table? How is this going to be set up? We want to duplicate it all. That way when you go in for taking a test, it's just like welding another practice piece. And that's going to make your job so much easier. So do me a favor, like, share, subscribe. Drop in the comments below. What type of practice tips do you have? Is there anything that you do specific to prep for a welding procedure qualification test? Until next time, keep welding, keep watching the Weld Bench. Have a good one, everybody.